Okay, let's start. What's your name, mate?
Okay, my name's Jeremy. Saya datang dari New Zealand. I'm in Lampung tonight. I'm at the Kalianda event special with my friends, and just reporting here with my friend Rian, co-owner of the Space Lounge in Lampung. And Lampung's a fantastic place, and the Space Lounge is certainly one of the bigger attractions to the people of Lampung. And DJ's quite diverse there. Rian spins regularly. Go and watch him. It's fantastic. And this is the other house DJ. Introduce yourself, my friend. Okay, he diversifies a lot more. He has a different style. So Rian rolls and then he rolls. Okay, and the crowd always responds very well to your music. You know, I'm always watching, standing there, and completely enjoying what I see. And Space Lounge is now promoting a lot of more styles of art house, trance, different DJs coming from Jakarta or other locations of Indonesia. And yeah, it's like I said, a fantastic place. And when the other DJs come, it'll sure to attract more. So if you're a DJ out there, come play at the Space Lounge with my friend Rian and his party scene in Lampung.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Next question, Jeremy.
Okay.
What is your opinion about dance music movement around here at Lampung?
Well, the dance music movement around in Lampung, like I said, you know, it's certainly on the rise around here. You know, with the different DJs that are coming from Jakarta, different places, they offer so many types, like I earlier said. So the movement is certainly on the increase. People love to, you know, party it down, come hang out, chill out on a Saturday night. So you know, it's on the uprise.
Okay, once more. Maybe not the last one, but what do you think about the DJs, the local DJs? Because beside the Space Lounge, Lampung have local DJs named Pulaupasir Foundation, aka PPF. What do you think about the local DJs? Yeah, something like Bayu, me, and 3 of my friends.
Is it a dangdut DJ as well?
No, we don't talk about dangdut house music around here.
Okay.
Not really educated.
My mistake.
No, mate, no problemo.
Okay. Well, the other DJs that I've seen around here, you know, they offer a lot too. So, you know, for the people that, you know, native to Lampung, stay in Lampung, they don't get to see, you know, a lot of different DJs coming to Lampung from all around Jakarta, different places. So, but the DJs that are here, you know, have certainly a representation of Lampung. They have their own style, which I think they should distribute throughout Indonesia and show them, you know, what a DJ from Lampung can do to the rest of Indonesia. Lampung DJs, awesome.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jeremy. Thanks a lot, New Zealand man.
Yep, no worries.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you, mate. Cheers.